Hello viewers, hope you all are well. I am an official member of ForexBD. Today, at the request of everyone, I am introducing you to a business in a new way that all the previous members of ForexBD must know about. But there are many beginners who are constantly requesting ForexBD to give a video in a new way for beginner. There are many people who waste their precious time on Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger. Again, many people may be struggling to do something but are not getting any good thing. We spend half of our life to study, but we don't want to spend time to build a career in online. I don't know why we want to make income from online in a short time. That's why you face loss and can't keep yourself stable in a business. There are many people who are working online or have done freelancing but are not getting any good result. And those who are new freelancer or working online, they have to wait for the buyer's order. In Forex, you don't have to wait for anyone. Forex is a very smart business and you have to be patient to do Forex. So viewers, today I am introducing you to a business that you can do for the rest of your life. ForexBD has provided numerous videos on YouTube, but today's video is full of new traders. Those who want to know more about Forex or want to make a decision by knowing the details about Forex but can't make the decision about not getting complete information about Forex, they will not have to learn Forex with money after watching this video. I say again, after watching this video, they will not have to learn Forex with money. So of course, I would request you to avoid the noise around you, watch the video with patience. Of course, it will help you. And those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. Those who are interested in Forex and want to come to Forex, they have many questions in their mind. Like 1. What is Forex? 2. How to start Forex? Where to learn? 3. What do you need to do Forex? 4. How much money to invest in Forex? 5. How to open a demo account with virtual dollar to practice in Forex? And the last one, how to start real trading in Forex and what does it take to get started. You will get all the best answer in this video. First of all, what is Forex? Forex is short form of foreign currency exchange. Forex market exchange, commonly known as Forex or FX. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Forex traders sell virtual money by their computer or mobile at home. It's the largest market in the world. More than $5 trillion transactions are made every day. Even though all stock markets of the world are not made transactions like that. The daily transaction of the New York Stock Exchange is $30 billion. The market is so large, any organization or even the state alone can't control it. Maybe you don't know that you have also did Forex many times in your life, directly or indirectly. Surprised? This is the truth. Many of those who are watching this video may have traveled abroad, and the important thing to do when going abroad is to convert some money or dollar into the currency of that country. Like if you go to India, you have to convert your dollar into rupees. You take rupees instead of dollar, that called Forex. Or many people buy dollar on their MasterCard to order a product in online. That is also Forex. Suppose you go to America. Now you have to convert some money into dollar. So you went to the bank and saw the value of the dollar against Taka is 84. That is 84 Taka. Then you bought $500 and paid 42,000 Taka because Taka has no value in America anymore. So you went to America and for some reason you did not spend your dollar or you had a few more dollar. You went back to the country and go to the bank with that $500, but you saw that the value of dollar against Taka is 85. That means 1 Taka is increased. you paid $500 and you were given 42,500 taka. Then you earned 500 taka without any work. This is forex. That means foreign currency exchange. Then there is no doubt about forex. Now you may be wondering, do I have to go to the bank this way to do forex? No, you can do forex in online from home through a forex broker. What is forex broker? At one time, no one could do forex. Many companies or bank owner could do it. In a word, those who are millionaire, they could do it. But in the modern era, when everyone wants to do forex, then the broker house simplifies the world. A forex broker is an account where you invest your money and trade with that money. The broker will give you the opportunity to do trade. And now you can do forex with $1. You must be surprised. This is the truth. Taka and dollar that we bought and sell, these two currencies are called pair in forex. That means a pair is a combination of two currency in forex. There are two currency in a pair like Euro USD, Euro and US dollar. Maybe now you are wondering, you will sell the currency by guessing like gambling? No, it's not like that at all. There have difference between forex and gambling. Was it gambling that you earned 500 taka by selling dollar? No, never. You did not business guessing here. Broker will give you indicator for market analysis. You can see the position of a currency through a chart and you can understand by analyzing. And if you didn't understand any business, you will lose. Later, gambling will seem to everyone. If you want to do forex, you must have an account in a broker. There are two types of account, demo and real account. You must practice before the real trading. Demo will give you virtual dollar. Here you can trade and make yourself experienced for real trading. What does it take to do forex? You can do forex with mobile or laptop and internet connection. However, if you have a laptop or computer, then it's best because forex is a smart business. So it's better to prepare yourself in a smart way because this business is not for one day. You can do this business for the rest of your life. So it's better to do well. How to learn forex? There are many basic and advanced tutorials on ForexBD's YouTube. Learn from there, understand, then consider the good and the bad. Then take steps for the future. ForexBD has been teaching you forex for free for many years. Based it on this video, many people are learning forex from ForexBD, then they're teaching with money. So ForexBD will ask you not to do anything quickly. First learn from the tutorial of ForexBD, know, then decide. Many people may ask, how can you learn step by step from ForexBD? Watch the top forex tips and tricks video. You will get all the reason for your loss. How to open, verify, deposit and withdraw in broker house, which is trusted broker house. You will get all answer in this playlist. How to verify Neteller and Skrill without any deposit and get VIP account. To know all things, watch this playlist. How much money do you have to invest in forex? Watch this video given on the I button above to get the best answer. What is leverage? To know about it, please watch this video. Be sure to create your forex broker and Neteller Skrill account from the link provided in the description of this video so that we can help you in the future, because many beginners face problem. This problem is due to some of their mistake. So if your account under our link, you can rest assured because the broker house that is being suggested to you has a good relationship with the ForexBD. ForexBD helped many people to get paid only because they had an account under our link. Last point, what does it take to do real trading in forex? For real trading, we first need an online payment method. We need an online payment gateway. And the most popular and secure payment gateway for forex deposit and withdraw are Neteller and Skrill account. If you want to deposit in any forex broker, you must have a verified Skrill or a Neteller account. Now you may ask, how do I open this account and how much money do I need to make this account? To verify Neteller and Skrill account, a deposit had to be made. But the good news is, if you create Neteller and Skrill account by ForexBD's link, you can open an account without any deposit and verify it with VIP account. Surely being surprised. This is the truth. Watch these two videos to know how to easily verify Neteller and Skrill account in 1 hour. It's possible to start trading with $1. In addition, almost all brokers will allow you to trade for free demo, that is with virtual money. So first you can prepare yourself by trading demo for free, and you can start real trading by depositing. The forex market is open for 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, from Monday to Friday. Whether you are a trader or an employee doesn't matter. You can trade at your convenience in the forex market. You can do forex trading sitting at home. There is no need to go out, so you can give a lots of time to your family. In order to trade in the forex market, you have to do everything in online, and it's very easy to deposit and withdraw. If you can trade well, many will be encouraged to deposit with you, and in that case you can manage their account and you will get a part of their profit. Above all, a successful and skilled forex trader can earn a lots of money from this market. This is for lifetime business, from where you can earn money by using your intellect and brain, and you will be able to do for lifetime. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Neteller account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, I think you are understand about a forex trader's opportunity. So if you get any information from this video, please like the video, and if you have any request, please write down in comment box. We will try our level best to keep your request. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. ForexBD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.